great to you here in Richmond, Texas. Welcome to 19910 Pemetic Trail. Let me show you around. We are so excited to present this gorgeous two-story home on a cul-de-sac street in Waterview Estates. Built by Newmark Homes in 2008, this two-story, nearly 2,400 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a half bath. As you walk through the entry, you're welcomed by high ceilings, the grand staircase, and the formal dining room with laminate hardwood floors and decorative moldings. The gorgeous tile floors lead you to the remarkable kitchen that touts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar seating, and a separate breakfast area. Just off the kitchen is the living room, which features a gas log fireplace and decorative mantel, as well as windows that look out to the backyard. The primary bedroom is nestled on the first floor and includes crown molding, stunning laminate hardwoods, and a ceiling fan with a light fixture. The primary bathroom features dual sinks, a walk-in shower, a garden tub, and an oversized closet. Upstairs are 3 secondary bedrooms which have carpet, window blinds, and ceiling fans with light fixtures. A spacious game room provides plenty of room to relax and enjoy game nights with friends and family. The backyard features a covered patio with a ceiling fan and a storage shed that will stay with the home. Waterview Estates is a beautiful community that provides you with easy access to the Grand Parkway and the West Park Toll Road, and offers plenty of new shopping and dining experiences only minutes away. You'll really feel the sense of community and serenity here in Waterview Estates, as it truly defines the word home. Call us today so we can show you why 19910 Pemetic Trail is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.